welcome to Derek McGuire's Week 9 Coding Project. This week was the Week 9 assignment, the JavaScript Final Project, and this involved making a game of war. It didn't require user inputs. It's basically you create a deck, have two players, and run a game. And I'm showing the classes here, and then I have cards that have a suit and rank. So the suits, hearts, diamonds, clubs, spades, and then the values from 2 to ace, with ace being high. And so let's get into it here. I've got the console running. If you notice right here, I'm going to go ahead and just refresh these. I've got the end of the game. It's 26 rounds, basically. 52 card deck divided evenly is 26 cards each. And then war, you deal out all the cards. So then, in this particular situation, we just played 26 rounds between two players, and whoever has the high score wins. And ignoring the situation where two cards that are equal, suddenly there's a game of war and you play 3 against each other. We didn't do that in this program. So I use the deck constructor here, the constructor here in the deck class, and then this uses arrays to create the suits. There's this array of suits and then an array of values or ranks. And then this loop, suit of suits, and then within the loop is a rank of ranks. So this cards, this array here, it pushes a new card object with suit and rank into this cards array, constructed out of these two other arrays. And then the shuffle method, which is a loop that runs to randomly, it uses the math, library to randomize the order of the cards array. And then dealing it goes to the array and uses pop, which is, will take the last element of the array, essentially to just deal out the hands to the players. So then the players each have their hands that have an array. It's initialized as a blank array, and then using the shift method to play a card, the shift takes the first element of the array, and the push adds into the hand from the deck the deal function, which is returning the pop of the shuffled deck. And then in the game, you basically go through the round where you've got the ranks of the cards, and then conditional statements to decide when a card is played. The play card here, which is in the card, it's in the player class, to return the bottom of the array, basically, of the hand, which was dealt from the deck. Okay, so then basically it's an array, and then you evaluate the arrays when they are being compared to each other, either popped or shifted. So that's what happens, and then you can see here, because of the randomness, the outcome is going to be different. There's no input, so it's just totally random from the established math randomness. But then I added the console outputs to make it look distinguishable, and you can see here, so you notice this is always going to add up to or less than 26. In this case it's 25. There was a tie round here, so there was no point, and that's why 26 minus 1 is 25. And so thank you for playing, thank you for watching this Game of War JavaScript Final Project video. I did not really get to the test. I didn't set this up very well, but I tried. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.